How to add WhatsApp icon on Facebook page. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Facebook page on our mobile device and click on our profile icon on the upper right hand side of our Facebook page. Once done, go to your shortcut section here and select on pages. Now click on the page that you've managed, and in here we are going to go to our create action button. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to click on WhatsApp here and simply set up WhatsApp number. Once done, you can send the code and it will basically connect your WhatsApp to Facebook. That's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.